This saber me and my son made together. He designed it. We made it together. I painted it for him. He wanted space fire and a skull. So combine the two like he wanted. It's made out of PVC. There's his space fire. Flashlight. Battery holder. Holds 3 AAA batteries. Ooh, let me get the light. Let me get the light, y'all. Hold on. Oh, a lot better. He bashed us to death. He loves it. Thank you so much for watching.